Let's learn abnormal lung sound. First one is a crackle. Crackle is a high pitch popping sound, means air being forced through a narrow airway. Second is wheeze. Is a high pitched musical sound. Ronkai. Ronkai is a low pitch like gurgling or snoring sound. Stridor, low pitch with sound. Last one, pleural friction rub, means creaky sound like a walking on a fresh snow.